Hi, I'm Charles Goodell and welcome to a K12Press tutorial for the Webmaster Hub. So we're going to look at what needs to happen for most of the websites out there, I would think, and that's internal communication, setting up an internal website or pages within that website that need to be viewed only by registered users or staff of the school or campus, and specifically the menu items and how to make menu items available to only those people that have a registered account. So the general public won't see internal staff links and things like that within the website. And this is really simple with the K12Press Essentials plugin. The K12 Essentials plugin just has a checkbox to where you can toggle on this feature and make it to where you can tell which menu item needs to be viewed by either logged in users in general, everyone, public users, or if you need to drill down into specific user groups or types of users that can view these particular menu items. So this is really easy. What we're going to do is take a look at the XYZ Academy demo site here, and we're just going to go into the back end to the dashboard. And once we've hovered over your name at the top and gone to dashboard, we're going to scroll down to the K12 Essentials. We're going to click on it. And this may look a little bit different from you depending on, when you're looking at this and what's fun. But we're wanting to make sure that nav menu roles is checked here. If it's not checked, you need to make sure you check it and click Save Changes. Once that's checked, then when you go to menus, and let's go over here to just under Appearance, there's menus here. We're going to go to our main menu structure for that XYZ main menu, and we're going to scroll under Staff. So on the home site, you have in that header navigation a staff, and I've added just a simple URL. Now these can be internal pages, and there's ways that you can make sure that the internal pages can't be indexed by Google so they're not searchable. There's ways to make sure that they're password protected, or that only certain users of certain user groups have access to those pages. However, if you have third-party links or links to, a survey that you want the staff to take, or internal documents or files or something along those lines, you can add those links to your menu and drag them where you want them to be without issue. And then you can click on this little down arrow that actually expands that menu, and you'll see now that you have target audience, and that's where you can target logged in users, logged out users, everyone. And you can even drill down to the specific user roles within that user group. So if some of them are viewable for certain types or others, you can denote which one of those menu items are viewable by each one of those users. However, for the majority of this, I imagine you're going to be looking in logged in users versus public users. On the majority of the websites I work on for school districts, you have multiple levels of admins within what those admins have access to within the website, but you also have the public and the community, and those are the general visitors of the website, but we don't have a need for those to actually be able to register within the website. So you may have webmasters and different levels of webmasters, but you can hit all of them as a blanket audience by just logged in users versus logged out users, or everyone, where it shows for both. Now, by default, all these will be set to everyone. That's where whenever you create a menu item and you have the nav menu roles option in K12 Essentials checked, all of them will be selected for everyone. That's if you're logged in or logged out, you're going to be able to see that. But you have the option to say, hey, no, I don't want anybody who's logged in to be able to see this particular menu item, so you can just say logged out users, just general visitors to the website. But once they're logged in, you can have certain menu items show up for that. So I hope that was clear as mud for you guys. It's pretty simple, a little bit trickier to explain, but look for other tutorials that are going to be coming out for showing you how to drill down into particular page settings for being able to hide pages in case Google indexes them, or somebody somehow stumbles across with a direct link sent in an email that was sent out accidentally or something along those lines. You don't want those users to be able to view certain pages. You want to lock them out, and the easiest way to do that is with a password, but there's ways that you can do that to make it a lot more elegant. So let's take a look at what this looks like on the front end. So essentially I'm logged into the website. So I can go here and I can see staff now has a drop down internal files, and I could click on that, and that could be an internal page or, you know, a third party link. But I see that. But if I were to log out and take a look at that page, log out and go, and now you see there's no drop down there. It doesn't show for me. So that's what we're looking for. So thank you for watching. Again, like and subscribe if you're working on a school WordPress website or a school district or campus WordPress website. I have a feeling that K12Press Solutions on YouTube will be a wealth of information for you. Thank you and have a great day.